Kung matagal nyo na palang plano, hindi sana alam ko, dahil ako ay consultant ng pagtuturo ng kasaysayan at lipo ng Pilipino. Why did I know about it? Am I stupid? The three organizations are talking. The GE defenders now, we now have a group with Ador and all of us here. And we're going to find that 3-4 organizations na nag-uusap-usap na. Hopefully, we're going to create a statement and agree to the statements. And the history departments of a lot of universities are already with us here. I will defend my fellow historians. Ang historian po sa Pilipinas naging historian because of passion. Most of us, the only bread and butter of us is to teach in college, not in high school. Natutuwa ko na binalik namin yung Philippine history sa high school because that's the call of the populace. Pero I was not given the framework, at least I was not informed. That is already the transfer of the GE to the senior high school. I was not informed. Kung matagal nyo na palang plano, hindi sana alam ko, dahil ako ay consultant ng pagtuturo ng kasaysayan at lipo ng Pilipino. Why did I know about it? Am I stupid? Ako ba'y pinagbukaan yung tanga doon? Na iniipat na pala yung history sa college to senior high? I thought I was probably clueless. So, basically, what you're going to do here is you're going to liberate the profession, because if we will not teach the GE, no one is going to want to be a historian anymore. Mauubos kami. Yan ang nakikita ko dyan. You want us to just become employees. You want employability. That's important. But we don't want just to be employees. We want to be good Filipinos and human beings. In all levels, ang nasaysayan ng Pilipinas, ang konsyensya ng bayan.